Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet CP1025, a color printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and here, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match would appear. Okay, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. Now you will be redirected to the Google Chrome browser the moment you are here. Please wait until everything are set before you proceed. And once it's here, please click on the search bar here and type for HP LaserJet space CP1025 space color space printer space driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Now please proceed to the first. Okay, please click on it. And eventually you would be able to see this one. All you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list. Okay, and you will be able to see a download option here aligning to it. Please click on the download so that you can now start on the downloading of this file. So we just have to click on this download icon at the upper right side of the screen to check the download progress. So this might take some time because it contains 317 MB data and it would depend on the network Wi-Fi that you are currently connecting in. So we just have to put a lot of patience with this and wait until this would be completely downloaded before we can continue to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder. Okay, and you would be redirected to this kind of location. So from here, we just have to move that to the desktop. So by that, click this cut icon, close the window as well as this. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Eventually, you would be able to move that successfully here at the desktop. The next step that we need to do is we need to extract it. So by that, please make a right click and then you need to scroll down and wait until this option would be available since it's still loading. So once it's here, click on extract to. It will now start in the extraction. We just have to wait until all of this process or steps would be finished. Okay, before we can continue. Once it is being successfully extracted, please proceed to the File Explorer. Please click on it and navigate to the left pane where you can see the desktop and check your extracted file here. Okay, so once you're good, close the window and navigate to the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. Okay, and once it's here, please click on Open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of that. You can see there are Bluetooth and devices. And under here, please proceed to the devices option. Please click on it and you will be able to bring up the devices settings. Where here, you need to scroll down and locate with this option called More Devices and Printer Settings. Now click on it. And eventually you would be able to bring up this kind of window where here you need to proceed to the top of that. You can see there add a printer. Please click on it and go with the printer that I want is enlisted and select add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and go with next. Click this down arrow and choose among of these three USB ports. It could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001 as my printer port. Please click on next and go with have disk. So from here, go with browse. And in this kind of window, please proceed to the desktop. And from the desktop, you need to scroll down and locate with the extracted file. Please double tap to it. And all you need to do is you need to scroll down and you would be able to see the driver. So either check among of these three, this three driver functions similarly. In my case, I'll be using this one. Go with open, click on OK, and eventually it will show up here. So since the goal of the target of this video is to install the HP LaserJet CP1025, then we need to select this, click on next, go with next, and eventually it will now start on the installation. Now we just have to wait until this process would be finished. This might take some time, but we just have to put a lot of patience with it and wait until this would be completed. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation of this printer driver. Once you're done, please click on next, go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet CP1025 color printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, please close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.